What just happened to us? Oh, that's a line.
We're in line for breakfast in Taiwan.
Welcome to Taiwan.
Yay!
This is our first day in Taipei. And we had to start, of course, with the famous soy milk breakfast.
Yes.
And it is famous, judging by the line.
Yeah, and this isn't even the most famous spot. We actually didn't go to the most famous spot because, well, mostly because we didn't think we'd be able to translate anything. And apparently you wait like 30 to 40 minutes all the time.
That's right. So this one is a little less famous, and there's multiple reviews online that say that there are vegan options available.
Like clearly marked so that we don't have to be too much of a pain for the people who work here.
Not necessarily clearly marked.
No, I thought they were clearly marked.
No, they said that the people will help you. And that's what I like to see.
Okay, well good. Yeah, then people will help us. Oops.
Yeah, so this is we're going to see how long this line is.
Wait.
We're going to be trying to dine in.
Yeah.
There's 2 separate lines.
And we found that out by Eric asking someone who looked like they spoke English. Which I'm sure like a lot of people do, but it's our first day. We're not sure if people want to be bothered like translating or not.
This is our first time since Korea where the language barrier does seem the strongest.
Yeah, agreed. I mean, we're seeing signs that are just straight up like not in English at all. So,
So I can break out that Translate app.
Yeah.
It's working overtime. So like this video, subscribe for more.
And
let's go check out Taipei.
So do we know what we're getting?
Not really, no. This is crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Might just be hot soy milk. What just happened to us? I guess we'll go this way.
Okay.
We gotta walk it off.
We gotta figure this out.
Guys, we literally just ordered a bowl of hot soy milk and 2 dough sticks.
Oh my god, I don't know how it happened.
Oh.
Because there's definitely a vegan version on the menu, and that's what we asked for, and they just gave us a bowl of milk. Our friend said soy soup.
His stuff looked so good.
It did. It looked really good.
And it looked vegan.
Yeah.
It was just like tofu and other stuff inside of this, like it looked like a porridge. But
what?
he was red faced laughing at us. He was like, soy soup, like Crystal said.
Soy
oh my
soup.
God.
We're like, okay, great.
So before we do our big hike for the day, we're gonna have to get real breakfast.
I can't just exist on a few spoonfuls of hot soy milk and a stick of toasted bread.
We're off to a rough start, guys.
Yeah, okay.
But it's our fault.
I mean, yeah, it's totally our fault.
It's been fun.
That's gonna be a great story for times to come. Great story. I could not get enough of that.
Yeah, this one? Soup dumplings? One.
Number 2. No.
Okay.
Hey now? Hey? Oh.
Okay. Already off to a much better start.
We at least know it's vegan.
That's right.
And yeah, it looks good.
It looks really good. Lots of stinky tofu.
Lots of stinky tofu. Okay, I fully did not plan on having any here.
Me neither.
I was just like, no. We've had it in the US, and
I think it was the wrong place to have it.
It probably. I mean, it was embarrassing, disgusting.
Yeah.
It was worse than the durian, I think, or maybe equal to the durian drink that we had. Yeah. Oh. 谢谢. Okay, I'm currently Googling, do you tip in Taiwan? Because let's have a place for a tip. We've gotten so comfortable traveling that I feel like we don't do the beforehand work anymore.
No. It's like on the plane ride over.
Not expected or customary.
Okay. So it's just a formatting thing.
Small tips are appreciated in high-end restaurants for private tour guides or hotel porter.
Okay. So how much was this now?
This was $300.
Which is...
So our first one was
45, which was $1.
Which is $1.43. And this is $300, which is $9.50.
Okay.
So less than $10. This is so weird because we could not find a decent, clean place to stay in Taipei for less than $90 a night. Like, we were shocked at how expensive the accommodation was. And then to come here and like every meal is less than $10 is like really blowing my mind. Because I'm like, we could stay here forever. And I'm like, no, we can't. We literally can't afford to stay here. But the food is very affordable.
Well, if you average it out, I wonder what it's going to be like. Because all the other food in all the other countries has been much higher than this.
Much higher, yeah.
So maybe just pay pay to stay.
It's like street food prices at restaurants in Taipei.
And I know we only got milk at the last restaurant, but it was very good milk.
I can't. Oh my god.
So marinated tofu, soup dumplings, assorted, and large wonton soup. This was less than $10. Amazing.
I'm happy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy, man.
There we go. That's where we're going. Busy. Okay, here we go.
Where do they go?
There you go. All right.
2:15 left.
2:15.
I think so.
Yeah, that's what I have too.
Oh, good.
So that's pretty economical. That's like working real nicely. We only loaded it with 400 to begin with. We got all the way from the airport here, taking it around today, yesterday.
I like it. I was curious how fast it would go.
Maybe we won't have to top off.
With a week?
Imagine.
Halfway through?
No.
I think so. Oh gosh, there's two. Oh, okay. I saw that there were two and I'm like, look, it gets flat.
I've never seen this before in my life.
Okay.
I'm fine. Don't worry about me. Look, it has a flat portion of it.
like you didn't just.
Yeah. Second breakfast was a huge success.
It was yummy.
There was far less of a language barrier, and it was way, way, way less crowded. So it was a chill environment to
Less
figure.
of a language barrier, but they did everything besides stop the presses to get me from walking into that bathroom. Oh, someone's in there? Okay. No, it's okay. Oh, no, that's okay. Yeah. Thank you. No, it's okay.
But food-wise,
Food-wise, great.
great success. Great
Yes,
success.
Less than $10 for 2 big bowls of soup and extra tofu that we ordered that I definitely thought was going to be a dish, but it was just like extra tofu for. It was fine.
Yeah. Cold, marinated cubes. And then she was just like, pop them in the soup. I'm like, okay. But it was yummy. It was light. A lot of the flavors so far, early reviews have been light flavors.
Light flavors, yeah.
Here in Taiwan.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, but I did see something on a menu somewhere last night when we were ordering food that it said like the spicy something, and it said spicy and spicy with exclamation points.
Yeah, I gotta get some of that.
Yeah, maybe they don't do a lot of spice and they're like, watch out!
Yeah, you're not ready for this, we know
Yeah.
it. But we're here at the Elephant Mountain
Yes.
Trailhead.
Yeah.
Or we're on our way over to it now to get the famous view of Taipei 101 from the top.
Supposed to be like 600 steps. Moderate.
We got a really nice day for it.
Yeah.
Too.
It's cool.
Almost didn't bring the hoodie. Crystal saved me.
Yeah. That's good. Now you can take it off when you're doing the climb. Also, super windy.
Yes.
It's, I think, the first day of typhoon season. I think it
So-
runs from May to October, and it's May 1st.
So the wind just must kick up immediately
Yeah.
and then stay
Yeah.
until it starts swirling.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, look, I'm cute.
Looks like they ball in Taiwan. Look at the older guy, white hair. Oh, see, see, I missed that.
You can
I
do
miss
that.
my boys directly. Okay, I thought it would just be one.
No.
It's not.
Many trails.
Many trails. And it doesn't. Whatever picture we're seeing, it's not clearly like obvious which one that is the way we should go and
No,
take.
no one's really telling you anything in the reviews.
And the steps are so little in a bad way.
Yeah.
Constant trip hazard.
It's like making it harder.
Yeah. Like chopping your feet. You're like,
I won't lie, I'm out of breath, or I'm out of shape from not doing cardio, but like, God. It's there.
there it is. Hooray. That was both more difficult and less difficult than I thought it would be. Because I started sweating immediately.
Yeah, and it's not hot out today.
No, it is not. And the steps are so little, they're real choppy. You've seen us do this now. It's very active in the mind.
I'm sorry, I can't look up because I truly think I'll fall.
Yeah, that's why we're looking down.
There's such a weird height.
We're not ashamed.
No. I'm not falling off this mountain.
Sorry. But you get to a really nice lookout where you can say, call it.
Yeah, that's good.
Really pretty quickly.
Good enough.
So I do think it's for all intensity levels. Like if you're not a big hiker, definitely do this.
Yeah,
because you can just make it to a really good look, get a great picture pretty quick.
And on the way, there's plenty of places where you can stop, even benches in some areas if you need to sit.
And butterflies.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
I'll be on the lookout. I'll show you soon.
Okay.
Good luck.
Oh, these are bigger.
Alright, that is going to be it for today. We ran out of gas a little early.
We got tired.
The steps took it out of us, and double breakfast, I think, was really... Maybe that was what did it.
Yeah, I'm still kind of riding on my 12 hours of sleep, you know? Like, it made me more sleepy in some sense, so we're gonna go home.
We're getting back out there, though, after spending a whole, almost month in Australia. We're back on the road, and we're headed back out, exploring tomorrow.
Yeah, come back tomorrow, see what we're up to.
Alright, like this video, subscribe for more. I will see you in Taipei. Bye. Bye. Go to bed. Bye.
Bye.